Hi, I'm Allison Cahill with Allison Cahill & Partners Luxury Properties. And today I am so excited to introduce you to my newest listing in the gated community of Sierra Boulders in North Scottsdale. Let's take a look. This spectacular home, located in the gated community of Sierra Boulders, sits on over 1 acre with ultimate privacy. From the minute you pull up to the expansive paver driveway with lush landscaping, you will be in love with this home. The open floor plan has pocket doors off the great room from the kitchen area that disappear into the wall and give that true outdoor-indoor feeling. You'll never want to leave your backyard that is truly like a resort, with a pool, with multiple water features, spa, outdoor kitchen, putting green, huge covered patio, gas fire pit, and a gas table fire pit. The floor plan is laid out so well with the owner's suite and office on one side of the home and the 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms on the other side. The master suite is complete with a jetted tub and a spacious shower. The kitchen is perfection with solid custom cabinetry, a gas 6-burner cooktop with a griddle, and a spacious island with a prep sink. You'll immediately fall in love with the stunning lighting throughout the house. There's plenty of garage space with this deep and tall 4-car garage with built-in cabinets. This home is located within minutes to world-class golf. And if you like to hike, you'll love the proximity to a plethora of trailheads out your front door. Enjoy your coffee on the stunning front paver patio with spectacular mountain views. For more information on this spectacular property, you can call me, Allison Cahill, at 215-262-7066. Thank you.